Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegance of Zoya. I hope so all of you are fine and doing very well. So viewers, today I am here with new bringing style and amazing collection of 2024. So viewers, classy vintage clothing refer to garments that were popular during a particular era, usually from the 1920s to the 1980s. These pieces have a timeless appeal and exude a sense of elegance and sophistication. So viewers, vintage clothing can be found in various styles, including the glamorous flapper dresses of the 1920s, the tailor suits of the 1940s, the chic and feminine of the 1915, and the bold patterns and prints of the 1960 and 1970. The quality of vintage clothing is often exceptional as garments were made with great attention to detail and craftsmanship. Fabrics like silk, satin, lace, and wool were commonly used, ensuring a luxury feel. When shopping for vintage clothing, it's important to when shopping for vintage clothing, it's important to consider the condition of the garment. Look for pieces that are well preserved with a minimal sign of wear and tear. Small imperfection can add character, but major damage should be avoided. Vintage clothing offer a unique opportunity to express your individual style and stand out from the crowd. You can mix and match vintage piece with modern items to create a one-of-a-kind look. To find classy vintage clothing, you can explore local thrift stores, consignment shops, flea markets, and online marketplace. There are also specialized vintage boutiques that curate a selection of high quality pieces from various eras. When it comes to styling vintage clothing, you can play with accessories to enhance the overall look. Consider pairing a vintage dress with a statement belt, a structured handbag, or a pair of retro inspired shoes. Vintage clothing is not limited to women's fashion. Men can also find classy vintage pieces like tailored suits, fedora hats, and classic leather jackets. Taking care of vintage clothing is essentially to preserve its longevity. Follow the care instruction on the garment's label and consider storing delicate items in acid-free tissue paper or garment bags to protect them from dust and sunlight. So viewers, I hope so you like my video. Go and subscribe my channel and also like and comment my channel. Do not forget to share your friends, your family members and relatives. Thank you so much for watching my channel. अल्लाह हाफिज़ व्यूवर्स, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआ में याद रखिएगा.